Hi there. This is Morchella Sachs, and I am here to show you a delicious recipe for morel mushrooms. It is a perfect topping on pasta, salad, or grilled cheese. And I want to show you how to make the best pizza of your life. You will need wild morel mushrooms, milk, cream, or your rehydrating liquid of choice, butter, olive oil, or your fat of choice, rice flour, or the flour you have on hand, and spices like salt, pepper, thyme, garlic, or your favorite seasoning. Also red pepper flakes or chili powder for the pan drippings if you like a little heat. And your favorite frozen or delivery pizza. First, take some beautiful dried morels and soak them in salted milk or cream. You can use vegetable stock or any liquid you prefer. The mushrooms will soak for 30 minutes or longer. They will become soft and rehydrated. Remove your morels from the liquid. Slice each one in half, or in the size you want. Next, mix your flour, salt, pepper, and thyme. Add the morel mushrooms to the flour. Toss until they are all well coated. You don't have to be too delicate. And these should be cooked for a while. Now, heat your pan to medium, or even medium-low. Add the olive oil, butter, and let it come to temp. We don't want anything to turn too dark too soon. The pan drippings will make a fabulous topping on our pizza. Now, we sauté the mushrooms. This is where the fragrance will fill the whole kitchen. What a pure pleasure. Flip them over after they have a nice golden color. I admit I tossed in a splash of Japanese mirin to deglaze the pan. It gives a more candied finish, which I love, especially combined with the chili flakes. Now I am baking one of my favorite frozen pizzas. I added extra Asiago cheese. I added chives. You can add basil or any herb or no herbs at all. You can use your favorite delivery pizza for this. A cheese pizza or a white pizza works perfectly. Finally, we put the pan-fried mushrooms on our delicious pizza. Garnish with the morel butter. And now, it is time to enjoy. Nothing tastes quite like a morel mushroom, and pizza is actually an amazing and simple way to showcase the flavor. You can use this morel recipe in so many other ways. I love these on sandwiches and salads. I could go on and on. For now, let's eat dinner and watch the sunset.